Welcome back to the channel. Do you want better eye vision? We'll show you the nutrients you need for better eye health, so stay till the end. Today, we're diving into the world of eye health and the top 8 vitamins that can help keep your vision sharp and your eyes healthy. We all know how important our eyes are, right? They're our window to the world. But just like any other part of our body, our eyes need the right nutrients to function at their best. And that's where these vitamins come in. Throughout this video, we'll be exploring each vitamin in detail, discussing its benefits for eye health, and I'll even give you some tips on how to incorporate them into your diet. So, stick around, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. First up, we have vitamin A, a real MVP when it comes to eye health. You see, vitamin A is crucial for maintaining a clear cornea. Now, the cornea is the outermost layer of your eye, and it's responsible for focusing light into your eye. Think of it like the lens of a camera. If the lens is dirty or scratched, you're not going to get a clear picture, right? The same goes for your cornea. Vitamin A helps keep it healthy and functioning properly. But that's not all vitamin A does. It's also a key component of rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is a protein found in your retina, the back part of your eye that senses light. And guess what rhodopsin does? It helps you see in low light conditions. So if you're someone who struggles to see at night, you might want to make sure you're getting enough vitamin A. Now, where can you find this vision-boosting vitamin? Well, great sources of vitamin A include sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale, and even liver. And here's a fun fact. The orange color in carrots and sweet potatoes actually comes from beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Pretty cool, right? So make sure to load up on these colorful fruits and veggies to keep your eyes healthy and your vision sharp. Next up, we have vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that's essential for overall health, including your eyes. Now, you might be thinking, antioxidants? What do those have to do with my eyes? Well, let me explain. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells in your body, including those in your eyes. Think of them like little troublemakers causing oxidative stress and wreaking havoc on your cells. But antioxidants like vitamin C act like superheroes, neutralizing these free radicals and protecting your cells from damage. When it comes to your eyes, vitamin C is particularly important for maintaining the health of your blood vessels. You see, your eyes have a lot of tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to keep them functioning properly. Vitamin C helps keep these blood vessels strong and healthy, which is crucial for good eye health. But that's not all. Studies have shown that vitamin C may also reduce the risk of developing cataracts, a clouding of the lens in your eye that can lead to blurry vision. So, how can you make sure you're getting enough of this antioxidant powerhouse? Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are excellent sources of vitamin C. Other great sources include strawberries, kiwi fruit, bell peppers, and broccoli. Now let's talk about vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that's essential for eye health. Just like vitamin C, vitamin E helps protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Remember those troublemakers we talked about earlier? Well, vitamin E works in synergy with vitamin C to neutralize them and keep your eyes healthy. But vitamin E is particularly beneficial in preventing 2 age-related eye conditions, age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, and cataracts. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss in people over the age of 50. It affects the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision. Cataracts, on the other hand, are a clouding of the lens in your eye. Studies have shown that vitamin E, especially when combined with other important nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, may help slow the progression of AMD and reduce the risk of developing cataracts. So where can you find this vision-protecting vitamin? Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of vitamin E. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are all great options. You can also find vitamin E in leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, as well as vegetable oils like wheat germ oil and sunflower oil. Now let's move on to omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats that play a vital role in maintaining the health of your retina. You see, your retina is made up of cells that contain high concentrations of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. DHA is crucial for the proper functioning of these cells, which are responsible for transmitting visual signals from your eyes to your brain. But that's not all omega-3 do for your eyes. They also help prevent dry eyes, a common condition that occurs when your eyes don't produce enough lubrication. Dry eyes can be uncomfortable and even painful, but omega-3 can help keep your eyes moist and lubricated. And just like vitamin E, omega-3 have also been shown to reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. So how can you make sure you're getting enough of these eye-healthy fats? Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also get omega-3 from plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. You can also talk to your doctor about taking an omega-3 supplement. Now let's talk about lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are like superheroes for your eyes. Carotenoids are pigments found in plants that give fruits and vegetables their vibrant colors. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in high concentrations in the macula and lens of your eye. And guess what their superpower is? They act as natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful high-energy blue light from the sun and digital devices. You see, prolonged exposure to blue light can damage the cells in your retina and increase your risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. But lutein and zeaxanthin act like a protective shield, absorbing this harmful blue light and protecting your eyes from damage. But that's not all. Lutein and zeaxanthin are also powerful antioxidants, helping to protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. They work in synergy with vitamins C and E to neutralize these troublemakers and keep your eyes healthy. So how can you make sure you're getting enough of these eye-protecting carotenoids? Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are excellent sources of both lutein and zeaxanthin. Vitamin D, the unsung hero for eye health. Now, let's talk about vitamin D, a nutrient that's often associated with bone health, but is also important for your eyes. You see, vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating inflammation throughout your body, including your eyes. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal and fight off infection. However, chronic inflammation can damage tissues and organs, including your eyes. Studies have shown that vitamin D may help reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, which is often characterized by chronic inflammation in the retina. Vitamin D may also play a role in preventing other inflammatory eye conditions, such as uveitis, which is inflammation of the middle layer of the eye. So, how can you make sure you're getting enough of this sunshine vitamin? Your body produces vitamin D when your skin is exposed to sunlight. However, many people don't get enough sunlight, especially during the winter months. Fortunately, you can also get vitamin D from certain foods, such as fatty fish like salmon and tuna, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk and cereal. You can also talk to your doctor about taking a vitamin D supplement. Zinc, the vitamin A delivery system. Now let's talk about zinc, a trace mineral that plays a crucial role in transporting vitamin A from your liver to your retina. Remember how we talked about vitamin A being essential for maintaining a clear cornea and for night vision? Well, zinc helps make sure that vitamin A gets to where it needs to go in your eyes. Zinc is also essential for the production of melanin, a pigment that protects your eyes from harmful UV rays. Melanin is what gives your eyes, skin, and hair their color. In your eyes, melanin acts like internal sunglasses, absorbing harmful UV rays and protecting your retina from damage. Zinc deficiency can lead to night blindness, a condition that makes it difficult to see in low light. It can also increase your risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. So, how can you make sure you're getting enough zinc? Oysters are one of the best sources of zinc. Other good sources include red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, and whole grains. Beta-carotene, the precursor to vision health. Finally, let's talk about beta-carotene, a pigment found in many fruits and vegetables that your body converts into vitamin A. Remember how we talked about vitamin A being essential for a clear cornea and good night vision? Well, beta-carotene is like the precursor to vitamin A, providing your body with the building blocks it needs to produce this essential vitamin. Beta-carotene is also a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. It works in synergy with vitamins C and E, as well as lutein and zeaxanthin, to neutralize these troublemakers and keep your eyes healthy. Studies have shown that beta-carotene may help reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. It may also help protect against dry eyes and other eye conditions. So how can you make sure you're getting enough beta-carotene? Orange and yellow fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of beta-carotene. Carrots, sweet potatoes, cantaloupe, and apricots are all great options. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are also good sources of beta-carotene, even though they're not orange. Your path to clear vision. Incorporating eye-healthy vitamins. And there you have it, the top 8 vitamins for eye health. Make sure to include these in your diet to keep your vision sharp and your eyes healthy. Remember, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats is the best way to nourish your entire body, including your eyes. And don't forget to protect your eyes from the sun by wearing sunglasses and a hat when you're outdoors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and information. See you next time.